for entering my DIY giveaway. Make sure you tweet me a pic of what you made. Love you so much and thank you for everything. That's cool. So this is the
Rachel's home.
this is the chalkboard paper, and then some chalk, wrapping paper, oh, tape. Okay, let me make sure there's nothing in there. Alright, and then this. You wanna see what I got?
Oh God.